Hello, good day, guys. This is Brian with entrepreneurforum.com, and I'm reaching out to you today just to see if I could give my review and opinion on a popular website, but one that I really love and appreciate. This website is called Ebates.com. Ebates is a website where it's essentially an affiliate website. They get paid from JCPenney, Walmart, Macy's, all those popular companies. They get paid a commission from them when you shop through Ebates. So when you shop through Ebates, Ebates get paid commission, and then they pay you a part of that commission as your cash back. Now, the reason why I love Ebates so much is because I do my grocery shopping, um, my normal shopping, for the business, through Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. And I do all my tech shopping for the business through Best Buy. Sometimes I'll get headphones for me and my wife. We work as janitorial professionals. We own our own small business, and we order a lot of supplies on a monthly basis. So getting 2 to 3%, sometimes even 10% cash back, on certain purchases is a huge makes a huge difference. If you're spending thousands, 10% cashback is 100. If you're spending $1,000, that's $100 back. Otherwise, you wouldn't have got that. So it's huge when you're using a site like this. But not a lot of people out there think that sites like these aren't legitimate. eBay is. I'm about to show you my account. I've signed up a long time ago, but I recently got serious with it. One of the benefit is, so recently I've ordered my some supplies on Sam's Club, Walmart, and Best Buy was one of the big purchases. I purchased my gaming computer here, which I also use for work, and also purchased a ticket for one of my trips, and I got 1% cash back for that. They pay every 3 months, and they send you either a check or they can send it via PayPal. Or for me, I usually take it out as Walmart gift cards, and then just buy my groceries and stuff for that month or splurge, whatever. But the good thing about eBay is when you're signing up for the first time, you get $10. So if you sign up for the first time without a referral link, you don't get the $10. But if you do sign up with the referral link, which I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Um, well, if you sign up with the referral link, you get $10. So I had my friend sign up, and he used eBay to buy his ticket for his trip that's coming up, and I got $25 for referring him. Plus, he got $10 for signing up. And that goes towards his ticket, which he got 2% cash back for his ticket. He was so excited. You can also add your debit card or your credit card and um, attach certain stores. Like, for example, if you live in New York where you have and you shop, J.C. Penney or some of those, bigger companies that are all around Pier One, Sally Beauty and stuff. I live in the country area, so most of these companies, Sephora, are a good distance away from me. So, but if you shop at these companies regularly, I know JCPenney, they always have some good deals. So if you shop at these companies regularly, then you can benefit just from swiping your card, you know, and benefiting from the cashback there. There's no reason to not get to not be a part of this website. And for that reason, I leave the link down below. For many people out there who make money off Etsy and or they're a craft or artist shopping at Michael's, and they could get deals, cash back from that, and well, different deals. eBay is a site that I literally live on. It's always open in my browser because when I buy stuff, I benefit from it. But here's a cool thing. This is a review, and I have nothing good to say about them. And of course, one of the benefit of me reviewing eBay is that when you sign up, you get $10, and I make the 25 as a commission as well. But one of the biggest benefit is I signed up a secretary recently, and she used it for her personal shopping experience and got cash back. But then she went and put it on her company's computer. Like I have a a plugin, a Chrome plugin that when I go to certain websites, it will tell me this website's compatible with Ebates. So I activate the Ebates cashback, and whatever I shop after that, I get cashback from that. She does that with her company. She works as a secretary, and her company is a big company, and they order thousands of dollars, each month, from Amazon, um, you know, Best Buy, headphones for their customer service reps and stuff like that. And they have hundreds of customer service reps. So, I think they're spending thousands of dollars each month. And she's getting 3%, sometimes even 10%, depends on where they shop. 10% cash back. Of course, they give her a cap of how much she could spend each month on these supplies, but she is also getting compensated for that. So, like, it made her so excited, and down to this day she still thanks me every day. Hey, thanks for letting me know that website exists. I'm like, yeah, no problem. So I'm reviewing it today because I want you guys to see that there's benefit out there. For me, I'm a geek. I love new tech. So when I shop at like Best Buy, which is 30 minutes away from me, I'll shop online and go and pick it up and get my 3% cash back. And every 3 months they mail you a check or send you a Walmart gift card. It's a huge, huge plus. JCPenney already have good deals, but when you can shop on their site and get an extra 3%, extra 5% off, it makes a world of a difference. So my review for this website is it's 100% real. It's 100% beneficial, and you should definitely use the link down below and get your $10 to help spend, on any site you want. But definitely sign up for this site, whether you use the referral link or not, because you would definitely save money, and that's money you're gonna spend either way. eBay definitely a good site. There are other sites out there that I will review. Other sites that don't necessarily give you cash back, but it helps you to find better deals. I find that's another good way of saving money too. But for today, my review on eBay is that they're real, they're beneficial, and they're actually very, very good. Very cool. They have a lot of tools. So that's my review for today, guys. It's Brian with Entrepreneur Forums, and I'm signing out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.